How to make dark chocolate. I've been taking in all the guilty pleasures of eating sweets with the kids, and now I am craving dark chocolate. I've posted how to sweeten dark chocolate, now it's time to show you something else, how to make dark chocolate. This recipe is simple and can be customized according to your preferences. Health benefits of dark chocolate. Gut microbes turn chocolate into something anti-inflammatory. It helps reduce stress. It reduces the chances of developing cancer. Many people say that it's food for the brain. It reduces platelet clumping. It also has anti-aging benefits. Dark chocolate recipe. Easy, 5-ingredient dark chocolate recipe you can make anytime. Prep time, 5 minutes, cook time, 5 minutes, resting time, 30 minutes, total time, 40 minutes. Ingredients: half cup of coconut oil, 1 cup unprocessed cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon raw honey, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, a pinch of kosher salt. Instructions. Step 1: in a double boiler, melt the coconut oil over medium heat, the temperature should not exceed 115 degrees. Step 2: once the coconut oil has completely melted, remove the pan. Step 3: let the coconut oil cool to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, add in the cocoa powder, raw honey, vanilla. Step 4: whisk the mixture until well blended. Make sure that there are no more lumps of cocoa powder. Step 5: let the temperature drop to 90 degrees Fahrenheit before pouring it into the silicone molds. Step 6: refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Step 7: pop the hardened chocolates out of the mold and store in an airtight container. Additional tips. Make sure to follow the correct temperature to get the perfect texture. For creamier chocolates, use cocoa butter instead of coconut oil. Vanilla extract may be replaced with almond extract. If you want the peppermint chocolate variety, replace vanilla extract with peppermint extract. For a sugar-free variety, replace honey with liquid stevia.